Huh? Press the red button. Is it recording? All right. I'm Micah Grimes and this is Jackass. I just don't want to rip any. Don't get too tight. We got to see the big league jack if it goes. I'll go ahead and open up. So here we go. Hit by pitch. That's hit by pitch. Trying to get me out the plate. What am I, Prince Fielder? Come on. Gone. That's not even out of the, that's not, hold on, that's not even out of the office. Hey, you jammed me. That was straight, here. Hold on. Stanfield doesn't know what he's doing. What's the problem? You jammed me. I know, don't act like that didn't happen. Huh? Yeah, you suck.